Will about to beat somebody up at the goddamn place. They are all his brand new shoes out of his room. You have to, did you go to the park? Oh, what happened?
Evil.
It was closed.
Anybody strike anybody.
I thought it was
God will punish me.
And guess what? We was right by Sharpie. I could have had you take me right there and got the application. You could have turned it in. Bro, motherfucker be losing their goddamn mind. They ain't realizing that you need to be very careful who you speak to. And I guarantee you, if this motherfucker following me, I swear to God, you gonna get fucked up when I get out
I'm not
of
going to
this
follow
train.
you.
I advise you
I
not
don't
to.
have to do that. God will follow you.
I know he follows me everywhere I go. See everything I do. But you'll never tell another fucking black woman to shut the fuck up.